there he is. Mate, we've got a new boat. Not we, you. Legends, thanks for joining me on another episode. So, currently gapping it south at the moment. So, as you'll see, I've got the project giveaway boat hooked up, and good and bad news with that. So, good news is it's off my front lawn, and my missus is bloody ecstatic. Nah. So, bad news, guys, is I've had it up at my mate's, who's a really good alley welder, and unfortunately there's so much wrong with the boat. It's got a big dent in the front. The seam that I didn't realise is fully cracked down the middle. So yeah, she needs a heap of work. So the bad news is, guys, this is not going to be the boat that I'm going to be giving away. I want to give something away elite, something that people can use safely, all that sort of jazz, something that's going to get up on the plane. The way we've got to repair the dent in the front, the boat will just never be the same. It's going to create a fatigue point, all that sort of stuff. So I have secured a new tinny. So there will be a new tinny coming for the giveaway. So stay tuned on the socials. Probably the next side of the new year, I'll have that tinny. But it had me wondering what I'm going to do with this old boat, and the missus has been on me to get it off the front lawn. So I thought, I'm going to give it to one of my best mates. So that's why it's hooked up. We're gapping it south. You will know this guy. He's always wanted a bloody tinny, and he just hasn't pulled the trigger. So I thought I'd pull the trigger for him. So he doesn't know I'm coming right now. And if you watch my channel, you'll know who this guy is. So fingers crossed he's home. It's 6:30 in the morning. If not, I'll just leave it on his driveway and that'll be the episode. But nah, I'll give him a call, so he should be there. Hopefully he is there. I'm going to wake him and his misso up and give him a tinny. So I'm on my way, bro. You'll see who it is, guys. Stay with me. Let's go.
Perfect.
Lol, as if I was going to go straight there and go past Pinjarra Bakery and not stop in. Heaps of goodies, pies, donuts. Now let's go, see you there. Legends, we are here. So long drive down here, but we are here. So switch the car off, get out, go get this bloke and show him the tinny I'm about to give him. So let's go. So let's see if he's home.
Oh, what are you doing?
There he is. Mate, come out here. Got something hooked up to the patrol for you.
Alright. Yeah, go on. Let's have a look.
Grab your sunnies, mate. Let's go. Let's go.
Fishing?
Mate, have a look at this rig.
You got a new boat.
Mate, we've got a new boat. Not we. You.
What do you mean?
Mate, I've got your tinny.
Fuck.
I've got your tinny.
What for? That's sick.
New project, mate.
Where'd you get it?
I'm sick of seeing the saws. I got your new project.
Oh, that's sick.
What a weapon, eh?
Bro.
Just towed it 2.5 hours down here. Have a look at the patina on it.
Patina on it? That's sick, man. You sure?
Mate, it's yours.
So this has got heaps more room for activities than my blue boat.
Way bigger than the bluey. Bit of carpet donated by one of our subscribers, Scotty. Trailer, everything, mate.
Man.
Now she needs some work.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, hug it in. She does need some work. We've explained that.
Yeah, give us the rundown.
A few cracks in it. Bit of a dent up the front.
Yeah, she looks tidy out. So we get me, you, we get Tony in here, Jay.
Yeah, Tony, Jay, all the boys.
That's sick. What are we gonna do? Or just turn it into like a freshwater.
It's got to be a dam boat, so there is a couple of little dings in it and dents and.
Yeah, we'll get the motor off the blue boat.
Yeah, it's not a ski boat. Let's.
Nah. have to take this for a run. This is sick, bro.
It is.
I wanted a tinny.
Mate, we've got one. He's got his tinny. It's a bit about it. It's 1979 de Havilland, Australian made boat, 11'6", solid as a rock. Look, we need some welding, but Jay's going to be all over that.
Get Jay onto this, eh? What? Sick.
Bit of love to the trailer. I mean, we've got a bit of rust here.
We'll get Jay on that, bit of men's shit.
Yeah, a bit of men's shit.
Little brace here, we just need.
Yeah, look, that needs welding.
Other than that,
bit of a speed ripple here. So probably hard to pick it up, but
where?
There.
Oh, bro, that's just a go fast piece, man.
Bit of a go fast dent.
Yep.
But that's her, mate.
That's sick. We got to think of a name for her now.
We got to think of a name.
I'm thinking like Destinny.
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 Yep.
Written down the side here.
Yeah, leave the patina. We're leaving the
You like the patina?
Yeah,
I thought you'd like the patina.
Yeah, just 2 seats, 3 seats.
Look at it, mate. We got a fish finder. Little sounder there.
Yeah, we're on.
No one knows how to use it, but
Redfin aren't going to know what hit them.
nah. Let's hope for some trout.
Oh, we've got a new build series coming up.
Build series coming up. So
cheers, bro. Appreciate it, eh?
let's unhook it. We'll get in there and then we'll end it. We'll end the episode.
All right.
Quick little episode.
Taking it for a run. Should float, eh? Should be right.
I don't know.
We'll take a tube of Sikaflex and we'll get her in the drink. So
yeah, I reckon so. Righto, legends. So we've left the boat at Lee's house. So he's bloody fallen in love already. How can you not? Bloody Destinny. She's an absolute banger. So Uncle Jay came over yesterday and he's given it the tick of approval. So he's an absolute guru on the welder. So he's going to weld it all up and get it usable, you know. So stay tuned for those episodes. So we're going to release episodes across my channel and Lee's. So don't miss a minute of that. So jump across, like, subscribe, all that sort of shit to the Bush Rats. We've got a few boats in the fleet now, so we've got my red boat, Destinny, and Lee's little blue boat. So this means you can get out more, get more people out, and bloody have a bang of time. So thanks for everything this year, guys. It's going to be my last episode for the year, so hopefully it drops just before Christmas. So Merry Christmas. If not, it'll drop after Christmas. So Happy New Year, all that sort of shit. Thanks for this year. We've donated a heap of money. We've raised a heap of awareness. And we plan to get bigger and better next year. So grab your merch, guys. All the money from that gets donated. So yeah, if you're struggling, reach out. If you know someone who's struggling, guys, and got GoFundMes and all that sort of shit, that's the sort of shit we jump on board. So holler at us. Thanks for all the support, guys. It's been a banger year. Can't wait to do it again next time. So thanks for watching. You.